First, shake the can for 30 to 60 seconds. You don't have to flip it if you don't want to. You want to be 6 to 8 inches away from the surface you're spraying on. Starting with our control test here with no anti-spatter, I'm running E71TGS 0.030 flux core wire on 18 volts and 96 inches per minute. And here's the nozzle after 2 passes. As you can see, it's already disgusting with a bunch of spatter caked on there. This product works really good for making sure that doesn't happen. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray the diffuser, contact tip, and the nozzle, and we'll see if that makes a difference. Alright, now I'm going to spray down the workpiece and we'll begin the next test. Here's the nozzle after another 2 passes. I didn't reapply the anti-spatter in between, but that is something to do if you run into getting spatter on the nozzle, and look how easily that falls off. Beautiful. Here's what the control looks like. BB City is with the anti-spatter, considerably less, but watch this. Now I'm hitting them both with a little brush action. Control, not a lot of BBs coming off of it. Now for our sample with the anti-spatter, look how easily these come off. Now I'm going to hit them both with a wire wheel and I'll show you the final results. Alright, after a quick wire wheel, as you can see the control, still a lot of BBs on there, a lot of cleanup. And then with the anti-spatter, barely any.